What's going on with you guys? Kim here, and for today's topic, we are going to discuss on how to become a virtual assistant. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe so you will be updated on my latest tutorial. In my channel, you will learn tips and tricks on how to be a virtual assistant, what you need to do, and what you need to have to start your virtual assistant journey. If you are ready, let's get started.
What is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant or VA is someone who offers support to businesses and professionals. A virtual assistant uses technology to perform tasks remotely rather than commuting to a physical location. Now, here are several reasons why business owners hire a virtual assistant. Number one, making business operation run smoothly. Number two, scaling business growth. And number three, ensuring that tasks outside of the business owner's core competency areas get done. For example, a virtual assistant can take administrative tasks such as data entry, management, and scheduling appointments. So, what do you need to become a virtual assistant? Here are four important things that you need to have to start as a VA. First is you need to have a computer or laptop. Second, headset with microphone. Third is internet connection. Fourth is working station in your home. So in the following tutorial, I will discuss the best computer or what are the best computer specs that you can use, how to choose an internet provider, and what a good working station would be. So, how to be a virtual assistant? In becoming a virtual assistant, there are several questions that you need to ask yourself to gain clarity so you can decide what type of services or service you will offer. So the first question is what kind of businesses or startups or entrepreneur do you want to help? It could be real estate, business, e-commerce, healthcare, sales, or more. So this will become your niche. Determining your niche before you start as a VA is very important so you can be focused. Next question is what business core competency do they need to focus on? So example are time management, problem solving, effective communication, organization skills, and more. So your core competency allows you to stand out in a crowded market from all your nearest competitors makes it good reason why you should consider this question. Question number three, in what areas of business operation do they need the most support? Example of this is if they are too busy with their business and they don't have much time to manage their social media accounts, so you are there to help them with their online presence. Number four, what holds their business back from growing and scaling? So, being a virtual assistant, you need to determine why their business aren't growing and how you can add value to their business. Question number five, what services can you offer that would allow businesses to focus time and energy on their core competencies? So, few of the services that you can offer to them are bookkeeping, data entry, HR support, social media management, graphic design. You can do ghost writing, customer service, administrative work, SEO services, email management, and more. So, question number six, how would your service save them time, increase their efficiency, and improve? So, this refers to the benefits they can get by hiring or working with you. So make sure you narrow down the answer to this question before you proceed to the final question, which is the number 7, how will you package and price your services? So if you are a newbie, in making your price or rate, I would suggest you do research and compare your rate to the other virtual assistant that has the same niche with yours, so you don't underrate yourself or you won't overprice your services. Once you're done assessing yourself with all those questions, it's about time to build relevant skills. So when you finally know who you can help and how you can help them, assess your skills and experience with 3 questions. So the first questions are: what skills are your ideal clients looking in a virtual assistant? Number 2, what skills do you already possess that can help you offer value to the client? And number 3, what skills gap will you need to fill? To gain experience, consider finding an entry level position in your skill area. So, remote or on site, or complete a short term project on a freelance basis. Be sure to gather letters of recommendation and testimonials from satisfied clients. So, reflect on your growing skills and experience to deepen your understanding of potential clients and their needs so that you can tailor your services accordingly. And the last but not the least, you need to create an online presence. An online presence can make it easier to promote your virtual assistant services, display your skills and experience, and find new clients. So, review your services, skills, experiences, letters of recommendation, and testimonials. Draft draft clear, compelling copy such as a value proposition, mission statement, services list, and about me paragraph. Then set up any or all of the following. So you can create a website for you. You can create a profile on virtual assistant talent marketing sites such as Upwork, onlinejobs.ph, and more. And have I will share the list with you on my next tutorial. And then next is social media accounts, specifically for promoting your VA services. So you may also find value on in joining professional organizations, attending networking events, and connecting with businesses that may need your services.
So that would be all for today. If you have learned something from this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be updated on my latest uploads. And feel free to leave a comment on the comment section if you have any question.